Hey, I'm Joshua Hamlin. I am the homestead manager out here at Sigma 3 Survival School. Today we are going to show you our 6th favorite way to pickle eggs. We have a lot of chickens, we produce a lot of eggs, and pickling eggs is a great way to preserve them. So first, let's go get some eggs.
Now, we run over 100 chickens here, and while some of them are still young and they're not laying, this extra large hen gear nesting box has been more than enough to take care of all of our chickens. So, I mean, if we ever expand, we might put another one over here on this opposite side, but so far so good. It's been big enough to meet our needs.
Let's boil and peel some eggs. If you're peeling farm fresh eggs, check out our video on how to peel the perfect farm fresh egg. This first recipe is for traditional pickled eggs. These are the ones you're probably familiar with. These are common in convenience stores and bars, for a good reason too. They're delicious. Next, we have dill pickle eggs. These eggs have the familiar delicious taste of a pickled cucumber. This brine can also be used for cucumbers to make pickles. Now we have the award-winning Kansas lime eggs. These are crisp, sour, and delicious. If you love citrus as much as I do, then you'll love these eggs too. If you love spicy food, you're going to want to try this next recipe, spicy jalapeno eggs, and they are fire. Next, we have Cowboy candy pickled eggs. These are sweet, spicy, and delicious. Whenever I do a sweet pickled egg recipe, I always use apple cider vinegar because apple cider vinegar instills a sweet apple flavor to the eggs. Finally, we have Korean drug eggs. Now, these are not true Korean drug eggs. This is my adaptation to Korean drug eggs. True Korean drug eggs are not pickled. They're only marinated overnight, and they're soft-boiled eggs instead of hard-boiled eggs. But I created this adaptation to make them preserve. Now these eggs will last for months on the shelf, but truthfully they're so delicious that they get devoured almost instantly. We have a lot of mouths to feed around here with the apprenticeship program going on, and if you're interested in the apprenticeship program, check out the links below. Hope you enjoy these recipes. Let us know your favorite recipe in the comments down below. Thanks for watching.